Hello guys, you are most welcome at Sigma IQ Math chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Introduction of pair of linear equation in two variables. Standard form of the pair of linear equation in two variables: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is equation number first. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is equation number second. a1 is a coefficient of x, b1 is a coefficient of y, c1 is a constant term in equation number second. Similarly, a2 is a coefficient of x, b2 is a coefficient of y, c2 is a constant term in equation number second. Coefficient of x in first equation a1. Second equation a2. Coefficient of y in first equation b1, second equation b2. Constant term in first equation c1, second equation c2. Suppose that we have two boxes. Box first and box second. Box first contains 4 mangoes. Box first contains 4 mangoes. Box second contains 6 oranges. Let the number of mangoes denoted by x and number of oranges denoted by y. According to given details, we can make the pair of linear equation in two variables, like as number of mangoes x plus number of oranges y equal to 4 plus 6 equal to 10. X plus y equal to 10. Equation number first. Number of oranges y minus number of mangoes x equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Y minus x equal to 2. Equation number second. This is the pair of linear equation in two variables. Now we can solve with the help of graphical method or substitution method or elimination method. We can get the value of x and y. I think it is clear to all of you. Okay. Solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. Solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. In this chapter, we will discuss three methods. First is graphical method. Second is substitution method. Third is elimination method. Exercise 3.1 we will solve with the help of graphical method. Exercise 3.2 we will solve with the substitution method. Exercise 3.3 we will solve with the help of elimination method. I think all three methods clear to all of you. Okay, right. Okay, dear students. Graphical method. The standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables. So write here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Equation number first. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Equation number second. a1 is a coefficient of x, b1 is a coefficient of y, c1 constant term in equation number first. Similarly, a2 is a coefficient of x, b2 is a coefficient of y, c2 is a constant term in equation number second. Case number first. If a1 upon a2 ratio of coefficient of x not equal to b1 upon b2 ratio of coefficient of y, then lines are intersect. Lines are intersect. A unique solution. We will see by graphically. This is the line L1, this is the line L2. Both lines intersect at this point x, y. So it is a unique solution of both lines. I think it is clear to all of you. Case number second. If a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, c1 upon c2 ratio of constant term, then lines are coincident. In this case, many solutions, infinite solutions. See by graphically. In this case, the path of both lines are same. So both lines are coincident or overlap. In this case, infinite solution or many solution. Case number third. If a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. In this case, then lines are parallel. No solution. See graphically, L1, L2. Both lines are parallel. Therefore, no intersection point, no intersection point, that means no solution. I think all three conditions clear to all of you. Okay, students, graphical method. Pair of linear equation in two variables is given. So, regarding to plot the graph of both equations, we have to consider 2 points on each equation. So, write here equation number 5. X plus 3y equal to 6 and make a table like this, x and y. If x equal to 0, then y equal to 2. Put x equal to 0 in this equation, then we get the y equal to 2. If y equal to 0, then x equal to 6. This is point A, this is point B. Similarly, write equation number 2. 2x minus 3y equal to 12 and make table for same. X and y equal to 2x minus 12 upon 3 equal to y. If x equal to 0, put x equal to 0 in this equation, then we get y equal to minus 4. If y equal to 0, then x equal to 6. Put y equal to 0 in this equation, then we get the x equal to 6. This is point P, this is point Q. Now, regarding to plot the graph of both equations, we have to need Cartesian plan. So we will sketch roughly. This is plus x direction, this is minus x direction, this is origin point, this is plus y direction, this is minus y direction. Plus x direction marking plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10. Minus y direction में minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Plus 1, plus y direction में plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10. Now, write the coordinate of point A, 0, 2, x direction 0, y direction 2, this is point A, 0, 2. Similarly, write the coordinate of point B, 6, 0, x direction plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, y equal to 0, 6, 0. Regarding to plot the graph of this equation, we have to join both points. So join point A or point B. This is graph of line AB and x plus 3y equal to 6. Similarly, write the coordinate of point P, 0, minus 4, x 0, y direction minus 4, this is point P, 0, minus 4. Similarly, write the coordinate of point Q, 6, 0, x direction plus 6, y direction 0. Point B and Q are same because coordinate of both B and Q are same. So this is intersection point of both lines. Regarding to plot the graph of this equation, join the both points P and Q. Okay, this is the graph of line PQ or 2x minus 3y equal to 12. 6, 0 is the intersection point of both lines equation. So it is a solution of both lines. So write here, since the graph of both lines are intersect at 6, 0. Therefore, x equal to 6, y equal to 0. This is the answer. I think graphical method clear to all of you. Okay, right? Note down to solve to this pair of linear equation in two variables by the substitution method. In this method, first of all, we select or pick one equation from pair of equation and write one variable in terms of second variable. So first we select or pick equation number first. So write here from equation number first, x equal to 6 minus 3y. Equation number third. See here, variable x in terms of y. This is single variable. We write single variable in terms of second variables. Next step, put the value of x equal to 6 minus 3y in equation number second. Okay, so write here, substitute oblique put the value of x equal to 6 minus 3y in equation number second. Then we get two as it is, x replaced by 6 minus 3y, 6 minus 3y minus 3y as it is equal to 12 as it is. Now equation number second convert into only single variable y. Solve this. 2 into 6, 12, minus 3 into 2, minus 6y minus 3y as it is equal to 12. Plus 12 LHS side plus 12 RHS side cancel out. Minus 6y minus 3y minus 9y equal to 0. Minus 9 shifted to RHS side. So y equal to 0 upon minus 9. 0 upon minus 9 become 0. So y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0 in equation number third. Y equal to 0 in equation number third. Then x equal to 6 minus 3 into 0. X equal to 6. X equal to 6, y equal to 0. This is the answer. I think substitution method clear to all of you. Okay. Method. Last method is elimination method. So in this method, we have to eliminate one term of variable. Like in equation number first, 3y. In equation number second, minus 3y. After adding to both equations, we can easily remove or eliminate the terms of y. Now we will get the 3x equal to 18. In other way, we we can also eliminate in terms of x. So regarding both same, we have to multiply equation number first by 2. Right here, multiplying equation number first by 2. Then we get 2x plus 6y equal to 12. Equation number third. Now subtract equation number second from equation number third. So right here, equation number third, 2x plus 6y equal to 12 minus equation number second, 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Okay, after open this bracket, the all sign is changed. Minus plus minus plus 2x minus 2x cancel out, plus 6y minus 3y minus plus 9y plus 12 minus 12 cancel out. Now y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0 in equation number first. Y equal to 0. Equation number first. Then we get x plus 3 into 0 equal to 6. X equal to 6. Y equal to 0. I think elimination method clear to all of you. Okay, write note down. I think now all three methods clear to all of you. Now you can solve exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Till now, if you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.